Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to flipping $12,000 in 2 months. Wow. Today my FX book. Oh, this is what I was trying to position. Says my lord says. Let's go to my portfolio. You can see trades too. Sijaongeza any trades. Back to the charts. But I'm looking forward to enter this risky fucking trade. I hope I'm audible. Okay. Weekly, we are fucking bearish, very completely bearish, but we have two areas of interest. Let me just squeeze it a little bit. We have two areas of interest. We have this one psychological level, 1.10500, and this 1.11k. But this one 1.11k is the much better place to sell, because it has multiple touches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, whatever, countless. But I'm looking forward to scalp from here. It's quite an area of interest that is quite respected. Daily time frame, we can see that we are quite reacting from that zone very well, but not the ideal way. I would prefer to enter this market here till here. Break and retest that zone. The fuck is yeah, a little bit like this. What the fuck? Yeah, because I can see this selling mpaka huku, mpaka until down here. Impossible. Should retrace a little bit here, but fuck that. Who knows? So let me zoom out. You can see that the daily candle is, when was this? Wednesday. On Wednesday it closed like a very nice engulfing candle, but I could have preferred if inge close chini kabisa, like hivi, inge close hivyo, engulf that well, very well. It could have been much better, but it is what it is. Then yesterday's candle, which is Thursday, it came, swept the previous day high, and then closes a massive doji candle, which is a good thing to me, because after market sweeps a daily area like this one, it should come and sweep the low of it. That's common CRT concept. It has swept this one, should come sweep this one, but before coming to this sweep this one, it should come and retrace back to an imbalance in a lower time frame. And our lower time frame is what, like the 1 hour imbalance, 45. Yeah, here is the imbalance. Let me delete this one for you guys. Where you? Now you can see the imbalance very well, but because it's made of interest, so allow me to keep it. So I'm expecting this one to come, tap here, and then do something like that. I wanna teach you guys something. Never enter trade in an imbalance, like hivyo tu, like unaingia bila mwelekeo zizi. Should enter this trade when the price taps here. You should wait for a 5 minutes close closure below this imbalance, and then it will leave a 5-minute imbalance around this zone where you'll enter, you'll put your limits and then target This fucking low for 1 to 3 for risk ratio, which is not bad. That is the trade that I'm looking for to trade. And remember, we are on a Friday. Today is a Friday, 4:27 a.m. I'm not yet asleep. I will love. Yeah, we've started May. This is the first week of May. So this first week of May should turn these $8 to $16. So if I manage to trade on this Friday and flip this account to 16, then I will have an extra week on the 5th to 9th. It will be like another week of flipping that 16 to 32. So it will be so nice, but I won't force any trade. And then there was this other trade, GBPAUD, but fuck this market. This is long gone, but I'm seeing a potential retracement back here because there's this area of resistance. Prices quite trying to go to break it to the upside. Sorry, to break it to the upside multiple times. Like countless. This shit is very countless. Countless. Day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a whole week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, another week. 2 weeks of not managing to break to the upside. We break and then retest to buy. 2 weeks. Then the day it manages to break, it faked out and then came back. So we were expecting a retest for that sell, which happened very well yesterday, and I was not around to enter this trade. It managed to give me a very perfect 30 minutes engulfing, a perfect 45 minutes engulfing, and a perfect 1 hour engulfing candle. So I'll just trade here perfectly. Stop loss like how many pips? 30 pips. Yeah, 35 pips. And then I target this area of interest. This perfect area of interest. I think it's in the 4 hours time frame or the daily time frame. Yeah, 4 hours time frame. Resistance minute. Resistance, 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 resistance all through. Support give us this massive buy. So this area should come to be retested. Yeah, that should my take profit, maximum take profit. And then let me delete this. Should have the area of support. So my first take profit would have been here, and for sure nilikuwa nisha flip because I've already did the math. 138 pips, 8, and that's all I wanted. 8. I could have closed my week very well, but shetani ni nani? Shetani ni nani? Yeah, that's all. But I hope it will retrace back here a little bit there and then sell until up. Those are my 2 trades. If this is franc, high risk trade. Even Alex says ingia hii. GBPCAD. I would love it to retrace a bit higher, a little bit higher, or come back to this zone, creating double top, and then that's it. I've caught some few nice trades like these ones. Nice trades. I hope nitashika ingine. Let me put an alert here. If it comes back, if it manages to come back there, I'll be interested in it. And then there is gold, but I don't want to fuck with gold. Gold is massive. Fuck it. So volatile. But we have this perfect area of support. We need, yeah, support, and then if it manages to retrace back there, it will be a nice trade. But I don't want to mess with gold. It can easily get me back to zero. Yeah, that's all.